Ever wondered who's pulling the strings behind those sleek, automated investment platforms we see popping up everywhere? You know, the ones promising to make investing easy, accessible, and even fun. Specifically, have you ever paused and asked, who actually owns M1 Finance? It's a question that delves deeper than just a name. It's about understanding the vision, the drive, and the sheer ambition behind a company that's been shaking up the traditional financial landscape. We live in an age where fintech is king, where algorithms and automation are reshaping how we manage our money. But behind every algorithm, every clever interface, there's a person, a team, a story. Think about it. We trust these platforms with our hard-earned savings, our future financial security. We're letting them manage our portfolios, rebalance our holdings, and even lend us money. So, isn't it natural to wonder who's at the helm? Who's the architect of this financial future? We're not just talking about a faceless corporation here. We're talking about a company that's built its reputation on empowering individual investors, on democratizing access to wealth creation. And that kind of mission usually starts with a passionate individual, someone who saw a problem and decided to build a solution. Before we dive into the answer, let's quickly set the stage. M1 Finance, for those who might be new to it, is a platform that combines the best of both worlds, automated investing and personalized control. It lets you create your own custom portfolio, or pie, and then automates the process of maintaining your desired asset allocation. It offers features like fractional shares, automated rebalancing, and even a line of credit. It's designed for the modern investor, someone who wants the convenience of a robo-advisor but also the flexibility to tailor their investments to their own specific goals. So, with that context in mind, let's get to the heart of the matter. Who is the owner of M1 Finance? The answer, in its simplest form, is Brian Barnes. But that answer alone doesn't tell the whole story. To truly understand who Brian Barnes is and what he's built, we need to go back to the beginning. We need to understand his journey, his vision, and the challenges he faced along the way. Brian Barnes isn't your typical Wall Street tycoon. He's a self-taught programmer, a problem solver, and a firm believer in the power of technology to democratize finance. He grew up in the Midwest, far removed from the hustle and bustle of New York's financial district. But even from a young age, he was fascinated by the world of investing. He noticed a gap, a disconnect between the complex, often intimidating world of traditional finance and the everyday investor. He saw that many people were struggling to navigate the complexities of investing, that they were being underserved by the existing financial institutions. He believed that technology could bridge that gap, that it could make investing simpler, more accessible, and more personalized. And so, in 2015, he founded M1 Finance. But building a successful fintech company is no easy feat. It requires a unique blend of technical expertise, financial acumen, and entrepreneurial grit. Brian Barnes had all three. He assembled a team of talented engineers and financial professionals, and together, they set out to build a platform that would revolutionize the way people invest. The early days were filled with challenges. They had to build the platform from the ground up, develop the algorithms that would power their automated rebalancing, and navigate the complex regulatory landscape of the financial industry. But through it all, Brian Barnes remained focused on his vision, to empower individual investors and to make investing accessible to everyone. One of the key differentiators of M1 Finance is its focus on personalization. Unlike traditional robo-advisors that offer a limited number of pre-built portfolios, M1 Finance allows users to create their own custom portfolios, or pies. This gives investors the flexibility to tailor their investments to their own specific goals and risk tolerance. And it's not just about building a portfolio. M1 Finance also provides tools and resources to help investors make informed decisions. They offer educational content, market research, and portfolio analysis tools. They're committed to empowering their users to become better investors. Brian Barnes's leadership style is often described as hands-on and collaborative. He's deeply involved in all aspects of the business, from product development to customer service. He's also known for his commitment to transparency and his willingness to listen to feedback from users. Under his leadership, M1 Finance has grown rapidly. It has attracted millions of users and has become one of the leading fintech platforms in the industry. It has also secured significant funding from venture capital firms, which has allowed it to expand its product offerings and to invest in its technology infrastructure. However, it's important to note that while Brian Barnes is the founder and CEO, M1 Finance is also backed by a team of investors. Venture capital firms and other institutional investors have played a crucial role in the company's growth and development. This is common with startups that require large capital injections to expand quickly. The ownership structure of M1 Finance, like many privately held companies, is complex and involves a mix of founders, employees, and investors. But at the core of it all is Brian Barnes, the visionary leader who brought the company to life. Beyond the numbers and the funding rounds, it's the impact that M1 Finance has had on individual investors that truly sets it apart. It has helped countless people take control of their financial futures, to build wealth, and to achieve their financial goals. It's a testament to Brian Barnes's vision and his commitment to democratizing finance. He saw a problem and he built a solution. He created a platform that empowers individual investors and that makes investing accessible to everyone. And that's the real story behind the owner of M1 Finance. It's not just about a name or a title. It's about a vision, a passion, and a commitment to making a difference. The financial world is constantly evolving, and fintech companies like M1 Finance are at the forefront of that evolution. Brian Barnes and his team are continuing to innovate, to develop new features, and to expand their product offerings. They're committed to staying ahead of the curve and to providing their users with the best possible investing experience. The future of M1 Finance looks bright. With its strong leadership, its innovative technology, and its commitment to empowering individual investors, it's well positioned to continue its growth and to shape the future of finance. So, when you see that sleek interface or hear about those automated pies, remember the story behind it. Remember Brian Barnes, the self-taught programmer who dared to dream big and who built a platform that's changing the way people invest. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.